how to withdraw money from PrizePicks to Cash App. First, and you need to get a Cash App card. Now that's going to be a Visa debit card. Now, how can we actually use it to withdraw money from PrizePicks to Cash App? So it just refers to this official website. So from the PrizePick app in the top left corner, you will have your balance, and this menu will click on the three lines on the menu and you should see an option called Request Withdrawal. After you click on Request Withdrawal, you can see your balance and you can type the amount which you want to withdraw from PrizePicks into your Cash App card, and you will just put your cash card info where it says withdraw to card. Now it's a debit card. Like I said, you can withdraw your funds from PrizePicks into your debit card that was issued by Cash App. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.